I made $2,600 a day in a single day online at the age of 22. Now that's not some made up number. That's not a one-time lucky hit. That's what I actually made because I followed a plan, worked like crazy and stayed focused. And no, I didn't win the lottery. I didn't have rich parents. My father's a nurse, my mother a nursing assistant, and I didn't find some magic tactic. I just did the right thing over and over, even when it was boring, even when it felt like nothing was working. If you're trying to make money online, I want to tell you what really matters. The truth isn't complicated. It's just uncomfortable. But once you know it, everything gets easier and now you can print money. The first thing I had to do was to stop chasing every shiny thing I saw. This is what people call shiny object syndrome. It's when you keep switching from one thing to another because everything looks exciting. One week you're trying dropshipping. The next week you're making YouTube videos. Then someone tells you about crypto and you go all in on that. Then you see a guy making money with affiliate links and now you're doing that. The problem is you never stick with anything long enough to win. Imagine you're planting seeds. You plant one seed, then the next day you dig it up and plant a new one, then another one, and so on. None of the seeds grow because you keep moving them around. That's exactly what shiny object syndrome does. I only started making real money when I picked one thing, kept doing it, and got better at it every day. I didn't need to try everything. I just needed to stick with the right thing and stop getting so distracted. Now, here's something people don't talk about enough. When you start doing better in life, you're going to lose some friends. And it's not because you did anything wrong. It's because when you grow, not everyone wants to grow with you. At first, your friends will cheer you on. But after a while, some of them might feel weird around you. They might think you're acting different because you're working on your business instead of partying all the time. They might say you're too busy or too focused. Some people don't want to see you win because it makes them feel bad about themselves. I learned this the hard way. People I used to hang out with every day suddenly stopped calling. They stopped inviting me places. At first, it hurt. But then I realized, if someone doesn't support your growth, they were never really your friend in the first place. The good news is, once you level up, you'll find new friends. People who are on the same path as you. People who get it. So yeah, you might lose some people, but you'll find the right ones too. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Another big thing I learned is that most of the time we're doing the right things, but we're not doing enough of them. I've talked to hundreds of people who want to start a business or get clients. They tell me they've tried everything, but nothing works. Then I ask them what they've actually done. And usually it's something like, I sent 20 messages in the last 3 months to potential clients. Look, that's not even trying. That's barely doing anything. You can't expect big results from tiny actions. Passive income only comes after active income. If you want to get clients, you might need to send 200 messages a day, not 20 messages every 3 months. You might need to post content every day for 90 days straight before anyone pays attention. That's what I did. I didn't stop at a few tries. I kept going even when it felt like no one cared. That's what most people are missing. They give up too soon or they just don't do enough. But the truth is, if you do the right thing and you do it a lot, it will work. Something else that changed everything for me was understanding that not every hour in the day is equal. What I mean is this. There are times when your brain is fresh and you have energy and you can focus really well. And there are other times when you're tired, distracted, and your brain feels like mush. For most people, those golden hours happen in the morning. That's when your energy is high and your head is clear, when your willpower is at its highest. So that's when you need to do your most important work if you can. For me, that means writing ads, writing and filming videos, building systems, or working on things that directly bring money in. I don't waste that time on answering emails or doing busy work. I save the simple stuff for later in the day when I'm not as sharp. If you use your best hours on your most valuable tasks, you'll move 10 times faster. Don't spend your golden time doing things that don't matter. Use it to push your business forward. One thing that most people overlook is this. If you don't believe in what you're selling, no one else will either. And this is a big deal. I knew that if I sold stuff I didn't believe in, when people would ask me, is this worth the money? I wouldn't even know what to say, because deep down I wouldn't believe in it either. People can feel that. They know when you're not confident. They know when you don't believe in the product. But when you believe in what you're saying, it changes everything. You speak differently, you sound more sure, your aura, your energy is different. You don't back down when someone has doubts or they raise a question because you know it's good, you know it helps people. And that belief is powerful. That belief alone sells. So before you go out trying to make money, ask yourself if you truly believe in your offer. If your answer is no, then fix it. Sell something you know helps people. That's how you build trust, and that's how you make real money. Here's another hard truth. It doesn't matter how hard you work if you're building the wrong thing. I see so many people grinding for hours and still getting nowhere. Not because they're lazy, but because they picked a bad business model. Some are trying to sell cheap stuff like phone cases or t-shirts. They work all day, make a few dollars, and think they're building something. But the profit is tiny, the customers are hard to please, and it's not sustainable. I used to do the same thing. I was selling high-ticket products and barely making anything. Everything changed when I started selling high-ticket offers. Things like digital courses, coaching, and services that solve real problems for people. These offers have high margins, which means you keep more money from each sale. And because the price is higher, you don't need to sell to hundreds of people. Just a few sales a week can change your life. That's how I got to making $2,600 in a single day. I stopped working hard on the wrong things like most people do, and I started working smart on the right things. It makes all the difference. Successful rich people don't work harder than you do. There's a limit to how hard or how long you can work in a day. Something else that helped me win was realizing that only 20% of what I was doing brought in 80% of the results. That means most of the things I spend time on don't really move the needle. And once I saw that, I started cutting the fluff. For me, the thing that makes me money is booking sales calls. That's the lever. Every time I book a call, I have a chance to make a sale. So I stopped worrying about things like changing my logo, redesigning my website, or spending hours perfecting my bio. Those things don't bring in money. Booking calls and closing them does. So I focused all of my energy on that. I made content to attract leads. I followed up with people. I did whatever it took to get more calls. That was the move. So for you, figure out what your lever is. The thing that brings you real results and do more of that. Everything else is just noise. So forget about it. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. And here's something that sounds simple, but most people forget. You need to plan some time off. When I first started making money online, I thought I had to work all the time. I was so scared of losing it. I was glued to my phone replying to messages at midnight sometimes, stressing out every day. I thought the more I worked, the more I'd win and the more money I'd make. But that's not how it works. Again, there's a limit to how hard and how long you can work. If you're always working, your brain gets tired. You stop thinking clearly. You get frustrated. You lose creativity. And slowly, you start to hate the thing you used to love. I learned that the hard way. Now I schedule time off. I rest. I step away. And when I come back, I'm sharper, faster, and way more productive. If you never take breaks, you're never really at your best. So don't feel guilty for resting. It's part of the game. Rest so you can play hard when it matters. And the last thing I'll say is this. Stop trying to figure it all out alone. I used to be that guy spending hours watching free YouTube videos, reading blogs, and trying to piece everything together by myself. I thought I was being smart, resourceful, and saving money. But what I was really doing was wasting time. And time is more precious than money. I spent years trying to figure out things that someone else could have taught me in a few weeks. Most people never make it because they stay stuck in that loop. And I stayed stuck for almost a year until I had one call with my mentor. And that changed everything. That 10x'd my income. One call. I didn't know what I didn't know. Most people keep guessing, testing, failing, and restarting. But there's a much faster way to learn from someone who's done it before. Someone who knows the path and can show you the steps. That's what changed everything for me. It wasn't just about getting more knowledge. It was about saving years of trial and error. If you want to win faster, stop guessing. Find someone who's done it and learn from them. That's how you skip the struggle and get straight to the results. That's what I've learned making $2,600 a day online at 22. It's not magic, it's not luck, because it took a long time and lots of hard work and figuring out different things. Business is mathematics. It's a mix of focus, hard work, smart choices, and never giving up and doing the right things again and again. If you even take one of these lessons seriously, you'll be way ahead of most people. And if you take all of them seriously, you'll be unstoppable. And you'll be on your way to making way more than just $10,000 per month. Now, if you're serious about becoming financially free this year, then click the link in the description below, because I've made a video where I'm explaining how I've been able to make more than $1,000 a day in profit with my business. And right now, we're also offering free strategy calls with me or a member of my team to help you reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick, because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And soon we'll take that video down. So click on the link in the description below, watch the quick video and book your free call. And with that being said, I'll see you on the other side.